In Crystal Forest, Moony the monkey loved fairness. One day, a squabble arose over a shiny apple. Animals claimed it, but Moony had an idea. "Let's share," he suggested. The creatures nodded, impressed by his fairness. As they were sharing, a tiny mouse peeped out, hungry. Moony saw and gave his piece. "In our forest, we care for all," he smiled. Touched, others shared their pieces too, making the mouse happy. Their act of sharing spread joy throughout the forest. Even the tiniest beings felt loved and respected. Moony's wisdom taught everyone that fairness brings harmony. From then on, Crystal Forest was a beacon of justice and unity. Animals big and small lived happily, sharing and caring. Moony's fairness had created a paradise of peace and friendship.